Welcome back to the KOAM Morning News. We're out here at the Crawford County Fairgrounds just outside of Girard. Fair's going to run all the way until Sunday, and I tell you what, coming off of what we had last year, we are right now inside the Angels Among Us Cafe and fortunate enough to be joined by the marvelous Jan Alai. Jan, thank you so much for your time, because behind us right now, you've already got a line of people.
Right.
People may be familiar with Angels Among Us. They may be familiar with the wonderful food that you have. Why is this so important to Angels Among Us? What happens at the fair?
We raise money for cancer patients. We're nonprofit. This is actually the 21st year for Angels Among Us. The 14th year at the fair. Should have been the 15th,
right,
but with the pandemic. And it's just important because we help so many people. This is our biggest money maker.
And specifically, when Jan talks about helping people that are fighting cancer,
financially,
exactly what do these people benefit from? How does Angels Among Us specifically help these?
We try to help them with gas cards, any finance expenses that they might incur that they can't take without insurance, or even if they have insurance, food, their gas bills, just anything that. And at Christmas time, we really try to help families so they can have a happy Christmas.
And the amazing thing about it is everybody that you see here, they're volunteers. They're doing this out of the goodness of their heart, as all that money helps those cancer patients. Jan, what was it like to not be able to take advantage of the fair last year, and how does it feel to be back? Number one, running the cafe like you do, but number two, knowing that you're helping people out.
Right. You know, we took a big hit last year because this is our bigger one. And then at Christmas time, we do a lot of Christmas parties for companies, and we couldn't do those either. So we took a big hit. And, you know, like I said somewhere, the pandemic stopped a lot of things, but it didn't stop cancer. So it's just good that we're back together. It's a wonderful group. We haven't seen some of these people for a year either. So, you know, we have fun. We have some rough times through here, but we're making it. And it's just good to be back. Happy.
It has felt like a reunion out here in the Angels Among Us Cafe, renowned for the wonderful fried chicken that they have, and also, too, with it heating up this weekend, you're going to want to find a place to cool off. Jan, coming back to the whole pandemic off of last year, I understand that people also have a unique opportunity if they want to take advantage of a vaccine option that's just down the road.
Yes. We made vouchers. If you get your vaccine here out at the fair, the nurses will give you a voucher. They date it, and you can bring it in here for a free meal.
Jan Alai from the Angels Among Us Cafe. Jan, number one, thank you for your time. Number two, congratulations to you. And remember that every dime that you spend here is ultimately helping cancer patients in need. Because as Jan said, hey, the pandemic may have stopped Angels Among Us for 1 year. As far as the cafe goes, it did not stop cancer. Jan, thank you so much for your time. We're going to come back and talk about vaccines and the opportunity to get them here at the Crawford County Fairgrounds right after this.
One great place.